My kiddos have been doing Rex since the beginning of the program, and they love it. I think it's a really cool idea to have the online teacher. I think it's Miss Grace. What's her name? Miss Gross?
Bria Grosse?
Yeah, Grosse, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
She is always like on time and wonderful, and the kids like are laughing and giggling, and the hardest part for them, I think, was doing like a split screen because they're in 4th grade. So that was definitely pretty much the only thing that the teacher in the classroom had to take care of was like walking around and splitting the screen.
Mm-hmm.
And then every now and again we would touch base and just let her know that like their favorite thing was the SpongeBob day or making their coding. And it was really cool because to watch the kids like learn and grow throughout the program and just walk away with like, oh, I made the cat today and this is what we were working on. So that's what we're working on. But for them, their favorite part was definitely Scratch and doing the coding themselves. Like watching her make the code and set it up and then having them do it themselves. They really liked when I think their cat was able to like turn around and flip and do all these different things and setting different escapes up in the background. They loved that part. I would say the biggest success was like one of my kiddos in the room, Lennon. He just like was very happy with every time he was able to create a different scene on Scratch. He really liked that. So yeah, well, it's the new age. It's all about computer science. I mean, watching them learn how to code was interesting because I don't know how to code and I'm not doing it with them. So I'm like watching them like, all right, you got this. So I think it's really important that the kids are building and growing with what's the times. It's like, and then the typing, they also did typing club a few times, and I thought it was really, for me as the outsider, because that part I had to walk around and help them with because they wanted to just use their pointer fingers. And I'm like, no, like you need the whole purpose of typing club right now, or whatever the typing program was, is for you to learn how to do it with your fingers. And I think that was like frustrating for them because they're so used to just doing this, but they need to learn how to type. I mean, we grew up typing, so it's really important that they learn that. It's like every day there's like, oh, it's Rex time, yeah! Like, let's get on. I can't wait to start my coding. They're enjoying that.